Hello and welcome to Microsoft Word Advanced course. This is part 10, transform Word document into HTML or into a web page. Take for instance, you have created a Word document which you want to use it as a web page. That can be done instead of doing the coding. What you can do is using Microsoft Word, you can convert your Word document directly into a web page. You can share it with people. Those people can see your web page. To transform your Word document, you should have a Microsoft account using which you can use the web address. You can share the URL with others. So in this video we'll discuss how to transform the document into a web page. I have already created a Word document which I'll use to convert into a web document. It's about internet. We have some pictures, various formatting is in place. Some charts and graphs are already in place. To convert this document, click on File tab, and since I'm using Microsoft 365, the latest version, I have the transform option available. If you are using the earlier versions, like it might not be there. No problem. Whenever you update to a newer version, you'll have this option. Click on transform. The transform to web page pane opens for you. It will show you various options of formatting the page. The web page, it will be available in an interactive way, in an easy to share way, both on mobile and a laptop or a desktop or a tablet. And you will be taken to Microsoft Sway, where you can make some changes, make it interactive. You can put in pictures. You can transform the document into a web page. I have already logged in to my account. If you scroll down, you will see various styles available. You can choose any style you want, and like I have chosen this one, and click on transform. It will ask you that your page has been converted. It will take permissions, all these things, and which account is being used. Click on transform. It will take a while and it will load the pages. It will give you the option that you are taking to Microsoft Sway, and there you can make the changes. There your web page will appear, and the options of editing the page, inserting new pictures, all those will be available. This is the same document, the Word document on which we were working. If I scroll down, you can see the content being placed. The entire thing is there. Some formatting effects they have provided, like these pictures are not available. No problem, we can insert new pictures while we are editing. That can be done. We'll change those things, and these graphs and all that can be inserted. Now this is a page which is being created. It is private. If you want to, only I can see the content. If you want, you can click on share and share this link with people on various social networking sites. Click on more options. You can use these settings. Various settings are available. You can copy it, you can share it with somebody else in any manner you want. Various setting options are available. Now let's click on edit. If I click on edit, the Microsoft Sway will open the window where I can change the text or of the document. I can add in a background. I can make various changes. You can insert pictures. You can select and make changes, like a background I want to apply over here. Say you have various options from drive, from various contents, are available. You can click and make changes. Let's insert some pictures, like pictures. You can see picture over here. Any other picture you want to insert, that can also be done. Any kind of changes you want to apply, you can put in here. Say a background, say it is looking for some let's not put this picture, something else, say modern internet. So these are the various pictures. Select any of these pictures and you can drag and put the picture on this document. Say this picture I want to add in this, and I am done inserting the picture. I could have selected and then click on insert. Both these options are available. You can view and play, you can share, you can also play. Click on play. This is the document, this is the picture. Changes can always be made. The other picture which were not appearing earlier, now you can see those pictures, you can see in the information, and we are using Microsoft's way. Otherwise also you can use it and create a web page and a document. So with this video we wrap up the Microsoft Word Advanced course. Hope you found the videos which were shared in this course useful, and in the information useful. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.